Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is October 8th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. BitcoinOS has achieved a groundbreaking milestone by verifying the first zero-knowledge proof on the Bitcoin blockchain at block number 8536226. This advancement allows Bitcoin to perform functions akin to other blockchains without altering its core code. BitcoinOS introduces rollups, enabling a true Layer 2 solution with gas fees payable in BTC, security from Bitcoin's Layer 1, and trustless bridging between layers. The platform aims to enhance Bitcoin's scalability, moving beyond its current transaction throughput of 7 transactions per second to enable faster, cheaper transactions. It also supports programmable tokens for staking and governance, and introduces covenants for conditional payments, facilitating trust-minimized lending and vaults. The sovereign community, part of BitcoinOS, promotes open dialogue and collective decision-making, with governance managed through soft tokens. BitcoinOS is poised to transform Bitcoin, enhancing privacy and scalability while uniting the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Worldcoin, co-founded by Sam Altman, is shifting its focus from Europe to prioritize markets in the Asia-Pacific and Latin America regions. Fabian Bodensteiner, managing director of Worldcoin Europe, highlighted the potential in countries like Japan, Malaysia, and Argentina, where governments are more receptive to emerging technologies. Despite regulatory challenges in Europe, Worldcoin remains committed to its operations there, having launched initiatives in Austria and Poland. The company is actively collaborating with game publishers in APAC and engaging with local businesses in Malaysia to promote its digital identity solution, WorldID. Worldcoin aims to work with European regulators to navigate the regulatory landscape while expanding its global reach. A US bankruptcy judge has approved FTX's reorganization plan, marking a significant step towards reimbursing users affected by the exchange's collapse 2 years ago. The court's decision allows FTX to repay approximately 98% of users, about 119% of their claimed account value. This follows FTX's bankruptcy filing in November 2022, which led to criminal charges against several executives, including former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. However, not all creditors are satisfied, as some argue the plan does not account for potential gains in cryptocurrency values since the bankruptcy filing. The timeline for reimbursements remains unclear, and the eventual distribution of funds could impact the cryptocurrency market. NANI, a new on-chain agent operating system, has launched in beta, designed for crypto automations using AI. Live on Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Base, NANI allows users to manage their wallets through simple chat commands and includes features for scheduling actions. The platform integrates with ERC 4337 standards and introduces NETH, a paymaster using ETH yield to cover gas costs. NANI aims to be community-owned, with users receiving governance shares in the NANI Duna organization. Developers can access documentation through GitHub and Hugging Face, marking a significant step towards making crypto more accessible and user-friendly. RiscZero has introduced Boundless, a platform providing a verifiable compute layer for unlimited execution and global composability across blockchain networks. Utilizing zero-knowledge technology, Boundless enables off-chain execution while maintaining blockchain security. RiscZero has also announced a collaboration with Celestia to create Blobstream Zero, a zkVM-based bridge connecting Celestia's data availability layer to multiple blockchains. Additionally, RiscZero launched zkVM 1.0, the most efficient zero-knowledge proof system, and introduced Steel, a proof library enhancing scalability for Ethereum developers. These initiatives aim to improve blockchain performance and security. A thread by QwQiao discusses the current state and future potential of 7 prominent blockchain ecosystems: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Solana, and Cosmos. QwQiao emphasizes the strong organic developer communities within these ecosystems, positioning them for long-term success. He reflects on the aftermath of the FTX collapse, noting the market's resilience due to prior deleveraging. QwQiao also highlights the importance of decentralization across all layers of the crypto stack, crucial for the ecosystem's resilience. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, expressed appreciation for meme coins that contribute to charitable causes. He highlighted a recent donation by the meme coin eball to various groups, showcasing the positive impact these cryptocurrencies can have. Buterin encouraged meme coin communities to engage in charitable decisions through decentralized autonomous organizations. His comments reflect a broader trend in the cryptocurrency space, where community-driven initiatives focus on social impact, advocating for a responsible approach to digital assets. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and informative. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and analysis from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.